In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Sellfy Store mobile version. If you want your store to look great on phones and tablets, the key is to work inside Sellfy's customizer while previewing how everything responds to a narrow screen. Start by going to View My Store, then select Customize Store. This opens the visual editor where you'll make all your changes. To see how those changes will feel on a phone, preview your store live in a browser and simply resize the window until it's narrow, like a mobile screen. This quick trick helps you spot spacing issues, long headings that wrap awkwardly, or buttons that feel too small for tapping. For the most accurate picture, also open your store on a real phone so you can experience scrolling, images, and touch interactions the way your customers will. Inside the customizer, begin by choosing a theme that looks good on phones and tablets. Look for clean layouts, generous spacing, and clear typography. A good mobile-friendly theme keeps important content near the top and uses large, readable text with buttons that are easy to tap. As you test themes, keep resizing your browser and switching to your phone so you can compare how each one adapts. Next, add or edit modules, things like hero blocks, text sections, and product grids, so they stack cleanly on narrow screens. Aim for simple, scannable sections, concise headlines, short paragraphs, and images that scale without cropping essential details. For product grids, check how many items fit on a row when the screen is small. Most responsive designs shift to a single column on phones, which is great for focus. But you'll want to make sure product titles don't wrap messily, and that price and buttons remain visible without extra scrolling. Then, fine-tune your store-style settings. Adjust fonts, button sizes, and colors with mobile in mind. Choose a font that's legible at smaller sizes, and make sure there's enough contrast between text and background for readability in bright light. Buttons should be large enough to tap comfortably, with clear labels, and colors that stand out without clashing. Small tweaks here can dramatically improve mobile usability. One important note: all changes you make in the customizer apply to every screen size. Sellfy doesn't have a separate mobile-only view. That means you're designing responsively, balancing what looks best on phones with what still works nicely on desktop. Keep previewing your store at different widths and on an actual phone as you go. That's it. With these steps, your Sellfy store will feel smooth, readable, and conversion-ready on mobile.